Hi, I'm Matthew Rowe from Optimal Audio, and at InfoComm we are launching two new column speakers. This is the 8 driver and the 16 driver. Everything comes in the box with these, the mounting brackets, spare grill cloth if you wanted to paint them. These are ideal for wall mount, long throw, wide but narrow beam. We're also launching two wall control, volume controls as part of our zone pad range. So US single gang plate, European, UK single gang plate. These work very nicely with Smart Amp, and we also are launching Smart Amp version 3 software, which gives you much greater depth and control of every channel, independent custom configuration right through from signal routing to the processing. I'm going to show you the Smart Amp units over here, which it goes with. So configurable over USB. This is the Smart Amp 30. You can download the configuration into this. You can now control and add delays per output. So it's completely flexible where it used to be fixed presets. So this gives a new lease of life to this product. We can also generate a nice report for installation and bring up testing with a tone generator. So it becomes much more part of our ecosystem with a familiar WebApp style control. I'm going to walk over now to our ZonePad 8 tablet. So we've also launched recently the version 1.6 software for WebApp and the Zone processor, which is all about speed and stability. So this is WebApp with the zone control. We're demonstrating here on the stand with 3 zones: restaurant, bar, and reception. This is also showing our streamer integration with a Blue Sound Node Nano, showing the artwork of what's playing. We come to the restaurant here. Everything downloadable and available from the Optimal Audio website at optimal-audio.co.uk, including a demonstration installable offline desktop demo of this web app, so you can get end users and customers trained and seeing just how their system would work with our processing, our ecosystem. Thank you.